To some people, it seems kind of sickening, consuming a placenta. Some new moms say it has been a godsend to relieve their agony of postpartum depression.
I love my baby, and I wanted so badly to be a mom. Why can't I stop crying? And why aren't I happy about this?
Some moms dealing with postpartum depression are now turning to an unconventional, self-made remedy. It's dried out, minced up in a coffee grinder, and poured into capsules. These may look like any other supplement, but they're not. What's inside these capsules is related to this.
This is the umbilical cord.
The umbilical cord attaches a fetus to its mother's placenta, the organ that feeds and protects a baby during pregnancy. It's the only organ that's part mom, part baby. After birth, the placenta is usually discarded. Jody Solander thinks that's a waste.
The placenta is an amazingly nutritious organ.
Okay, so you're thinking, no way. But Jody says a mom's placenta has the power to keep her from getting postpartum depression. She has firsthand experience. Her case of baby blues came with the birth of her first child. Even with medication, she was severely depressed, wondering,
why am I feeling this way?
2 years later, Jody was pregnant with her second and terrified she'd again fall prey to postpartum depression. It was an acupuncturist who suggested she turn to her own placenta. Jody learned how to dry and turn it into capsules.
I figured I could take anything in a capsule.
Within a few days of her first dose,
I felt incredible. I couldn't believe the difference.
Mentally and physically, just days after delivery,
I felt fine. I felt completely normal. I didn't even feel like I just had a baby.
Dr. Lauren Swerdloff has never prescribed placenta.
No, I've never prescribed it.
But says she does understand the theory behind the potential benefits.
There's growth factors in the placenta. There's vitamins, there's iron. There's also a lot of hormones in there.
Though it's not risk-free.
I'm not sure it's sanitary. If it goes through the birthing canal, then you're going to be at risk for whatever infections might be in the canal.
A risk Jody says was worth it.
It just helps so much.
She's now started preparing and encapsulating placenta for other new moms. Megan Lowry had her fourth child a week ago and is about to start placenta therapy.
I'm looking forward to hopefully getting a little kickback in my step.
As for the gross out factor,
it's not bloody. It's dried and it's just a lot easier to wrap your mind around.
There's no guarantee dried placenta cures anything. Most doctors say this idea is nuts. Nevertheless, says Jody,
it's a growing trend right now in the birth community.